Hey there! We've been traveling for more than 50 years on planes, trains, and automobiles, and sometimes even boats and ships. Now we're trying our luck with RVs and vans. We're Bravo too. Come with us to see what kind of trouble we can get into, and hopefully out of, as we continue our travels. But buckle up, because safety first.
We are at Quartzsite
Town Park.
And we're out here for the maiden flight of DJI 01.
Neo.
Becky said, you ready to read the instructions? And I'm like, we don't need no stinking instructions. We can just push the button, it'll go up. It comes down when it wants to.
Get that squirrel.